Hello and good morning, guys. It's me again, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha. How's everyone? Afternoon. I'm back for another live here. Just a moment ago, we fed like, I don't know how much, maybe like 30? Is it 30? Hello and good afternoon, I'm back. Well, the topic today, 8 deaths. We had like 8 deaths in total by Covid-19 in Doha. Hello to Julie Ann Ramos who's watching. And by the way, hi! And hello to Helen Campus who's watching. Hello and good afternoon. I know, I think you are one of the frontliners right now. Same like me. But here, we are different. We are actually swabbing them. Hello and good afternoon to all of the listeners and followers of Qatar social media. There is a recent update from the Ministry of Public Health and HMC, the Hamad Medical Corporation. So we have like 8 total case death by COVID-19, and we have in total, we already have how much we have 60,139 tested already. Today we had 1,811 tests by COVID, and 345 turned to be positive today. Now the running total of positive case in Doha is 5,008. Yep, you heard it right. Hello to Yasmin and to Ahmed. Today, how much people cost? So the new cases is 345. 345, guys. For those who just tuned in right now, 151 followers. We have 345 confirmed cases, newly cases in Doha. 345 cases, new cases. The only recovered for now is 46. That is the total number of recovered patient out of Corona. It's 46 right now. And sadly, we have in total 8 confirmed cases of deaths in Doha. Again, 8 deaths already. Keep safe, Qatar. Oh my God, take care. Oh my G. That is from Yam Abu. To Rochi Augusto, good afternoon, and hello to Joy and Stella who's watching. Luena Nicor. Yes, so the total update for today, April 18, okay? The total number of cases in Doha is 508, or 5,008 rather. 5,008 confirmed cases, and out of 5,008 there are 8 deaths already. 8 deaths. Again, 8 deaths right here. So is it a lot? How much percentage among those who has tested? Now it reached around like 60,139 tested. Today they test around 1,811, and the positive case nowadays is 345, and that's still a lot, right? Yesterday it was like 590, the highest so far, 590 yesterday. So today is April 18, as of this time around like 2 o'clock, we already have or 510 out of 510, or out of 5,008, 510 are already recovered, and 46 as of today already recovered as well. So that will make you a 510 in total recovered patient. We have 193 guys who are watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hello to say Nona. Simonida, hi and good afternoon. But 8 deaths are nothing. Yep, 8 deaths are nothing compared to other countries. She's correct. Other country, guys, you know how much? It's like 1,000. We are not talking by 1 digit, guys. We are talking about 5 digits. 5 digits in other countries. So, Qatar is still safe? Yes, of course. I will 100% totally agree that still is stable because of those number. If you compared it, okay, if you compared it to other countries, okay. Hello to Hack and good afternoon, and to Gilbert. Keep safe, everyone. What do you think, guys? I want to have your opinion with this. Is Qatar is safe at the moment? Let me know on your comments. Litan Ahmed, join our discussion. You know, I would like to watch to read your opinion right now about this COVID-19 in Doha. Now it reached around like 5,008 confirmed cases. Where are those 5,008? You know, that's the big question right now. Are they in the accommodation? Are they in staying at home still, or are they in the quarantine area? Hello to Serdon. What nationality deaths today? Well, we can find it out, you know. Good afternoon from Wilma. Guys, it's still good, you know. To be honest, we are still on the 1 digit mark, you know. We never reached 10. We're still in the 1 digit. Other countries has like 3. Other countries have 5 even. We're talking about like 17,000 deaths. Look now at America, the USA. How many deaths in USA right now? You can guess, you know, how much? That's a lot. The last time I checked, it's 17,000 in USA. Hello to Maria. Hello to Kuya. And hello to, who's this? AJ. Oh my God! Every day is too much positive cases. How come? Well, how come? That is been explained by Dr. Khal from Hamad Hospital. Why is it so high for the past few days? It's because the symptoms already shown for the past few weeks. That's we've been testing, or we've been swabbing a lot of tests. Like yesterday, we have like 590 cases. Do you know that those 590 cases, they contacted other person, guys? You can do the math, you know. For those 200 or 590 cases. Hello to Grace who's watching, and to Abby who's watching right now. Thank you for joining the conversation, and to Hasib, Tariq. So going back to the yesterday report, which is 590, do you think that those 590, you know, they didn't contact with those families or those friends with them? You know, just to think of it, you know, just multiply like 2, like 590 times 2. It means at least they contacted like 2 person, at least, you know. The numbers will increase. The number will increase. If you just do the simple math, 590, you multiply at least like 2 person they already contacted for the past 1 week or 2 weeks. And there's a lot, as you can imagine. Day by day, you have at least from those 590 will turn into positive for these coming days. That's my point here. Those 500 days has been infected last week. They had the test and they've confirmed a coronavirus patient already. So think of it, for the past few weeks that we've been testing, we've been swabbing, we do our best to take all of those tests. It turned out to be positive, most of them. Now we are in the peak time. We are in the peak, the highest peak so far that we've been tested, and those tested for the last week, for the last week or from last week, it get double. They contacted a lot of family and friends already. So I know you're getting my point here. So you imagine 590 yesterday, you multiply it by 2, then you will have probably approximately like maybe half of them will be having a symptoms and again infected a lot of people. So that's what I meant. That's a lot of cases still. Surely in this coming days, and hopefully and also next week, because we have like 590 yesterday. So you count like a week, you count like a week again, the symptoms of coronavirus will just emit on 1 week. Let's say you have like COVID patient, probably your neighbors or your office mate, right? You talk with them, you have a conversation with them today, and you never know that your friend are infected by this virus because he doesn't know us as well, because that is asymptomatic, means he is a carrier but he don't know, right? So he don't know that he's been a carrier for the past probably a week. Now it's been transmitted to you today, because you had been in contact with that patient, right? So after you had this one, you've been okay for the past few days. Now you are a carrier as well for these past few days. Let's say today is Saturday. You get contact with the patient that you don't know that they have it, and now you have it as well today. And you count like probably 4 days or a week, the symptoms will arise or will show up. But those 1 week, how much you already contacted your friends, your kids, your neighbors, your office mate, how much on this time, this 1 week, you contacted others, or you had been infected by others, or how much you infected others. That's what I meant. So there's a lot of possibility that there is an increase of numbers in this coming days. So if I were you guys, that is why the government told you to stay at home. Why? It will reduce the number of infected all around Doha. Why? Because you are like semi-quarantined in your house. You will not go outside, and it's very less likely that you will have this coronavirus if you are staying at home. You are helping us, not only us, but yourself as well. If you want, or if you don't want to have this COVID-19 or coronavirus, just stay home and help others to just stay home. So this is Deering Road, and that's it. There's another fatality today. 1 fatality. Sadly, we will have 8 deaths already by coronavirus, but still we are positive that we can fight this once and for all by helping each other wash their hands or wash your hands and refrain on going outside and stay at home. So in that simple gesture or simple job that you will do, you are helping us as a frontliners to reduce the number of fatalities and also the confirmed cases day by day. Just easy as stay home, wash your hands. Simple, very simple, but really you need to know how it will take effect if you go outside and mingle with your friends and don't you doesn't care about this government rules, or you disregard all of the reminders by our medical staff or our medical facility or even Hamad Medical Corporation and also the MOPH, the Ministry of Public Health. So help us frontliners to fight this COVID-19 by stay at home, wash your hands, and update the news. Help us, guys. All you need to do is just two things: stay at home and wash your hands. That's it. Simple as that. So again, for those who are just tuning in, we have 8 fatality by corona or COVID-19 in Doha. Next update will probably tomorrow, and I'm gonna give you more updates this coming days if I will be free or I will be having time to blog. I will not blogging for this probably whole day, because I've been one of the frontliners, and we need to swab, we need to test all of the patient in industrial area. So having a fixed time for using my break or for using my spare time to blog and to report what is happening in Doha when it comes to the COVID or corona cases. Get your information here or get somewhere else, which is the Hamad Medical Corporation and also the Ministry of Public Health. That is where you can get all of the valid information that you want. So again, thank you guys for watching. It's me again, your Qatar social media guy here in Doha. I'm gonna sign up for now, and hopefully I can see your comments 8 o'clock on our podcast Saturday evening. So stay safe, go home early for those who are having office today, and also go to the bed early, go to your bed as early as possible. Strengthen your immune system, eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, strengthen your immune system, and refrain on going with your friends and loved ones or going outside even. Hello to Winnie, Rija, Sophia. Stay home and be safe. So bye for now. See you on my next one. Thank you for your time on watching our daily blog here at Qatar Social Media. I'm gonna sign up for now and see you on my next one. Peace.